A very good morning for all students. So today's session is for a unit and dimension measurement. From the previous classes we'll continue to the today lessons. We have learning a new topic here, dimensions, how to find the dimension and what are the dimension formula. So look at the definitions. The dimension definition tells when a derived quantity express any term of any fundamental quantity, then the power arise on a fundamental quantities of that quantity is known as dimension formula. Suppose speed is written as distance per unit time. So distance unit is length, so written length, and because 1 by time is written as time inverse or time to the power minus 1. So velocity dimension formula comes to be L into t minus 1. This is the actual formula. When you find the other example like acceleration, the formula acceleration is velocity per unit time, and formula for velocity already we have find out Lt minus 1 divided by time, it comes to be Lt minus 2. The next is dimensional formula. When the derived quantity is expressed in the fundamental quantities, process is known as dimensional formula. Example based upon that. So any fundamental quantities, when deriving the quantities with the help of fundamental quantities, is written as force equals to mass into acceleration. So force equals to m into acceleration is Lt minus 2. So combine these two formula comes to be mlt minus 2, because we have already find out. So next we'll look into the next session is how to list out all the symbols of fundamental quantities. In this session, so we'll look all the 7 fundamental quantities and their dimension symbols and their dimensional as symbols of unit. So likewise, the first start with mass. The mass m is kg and the length L in meter and time t in seconds. Time t in seconds, and the temperature in Kelvin or delta is equals to in Kelvin, so written is K. The luminous of intensity is unit symbol, dimension is candela, so symbol is CD. Luminous of substance, the amount of substance is mu. The current in electricity is ampere, so symbol is A. After finding all this, you got the 7 fundamental. Finding the dimension of h upon I, where h is the Planck constant and I is the moment of inertia. So deriving this expression, we use a formula of E equals to h mu, where E is the energy and h and mu is the Planck constant. So h equals to E upon u. We already know the E is equals to the energy. Energy means work done. Work done means force into displacement. So mlt t minus 2 already force formula, and time is length is L, so mlt t minus 2. So we'll apply here ml2 t minus 2 divided by a velocity, so frequency. So frequency formula is 1 by time period, so we written as 1 by t, that is equals to 1 time inverse. So we written here t to the power minus 1. It come to the up section, it will go to mlt minus 2. So you find the I is the moment of inertia, it means mass into r square, where mass is m and r is the radius of a substance, of a sphere. So radius formula is ml2. So if dividing these two, you get 1 by t, that is equals to 1 by time period is known as the 1 by frequency. 1 by time period is known as a frequency. I hope you will enjoy these sessions, and we'll look up to the next session also. If you like, please like the channel and subscribe our channel to get the latest video of this channel. Thank you for watching.